right, let's dive in tour. So this is my homepage, what I open every morning. I like, and the way I made it is everything is accessible from one click, and everything that is important is visualized and just there. So I just personalized like the picture on top. It's a suitcase. I live out of a suitcase. If you didn't know, I'm an airline pilot. The top here, just a good morning, because why not? Monthly goal, it's to find balance and passion. I have that one up for a couple of months now, but it's still applicable, so I just want to keep it there. So on the top left here, I have what I call my checkup. It's basically my daily reset, weekly reset, monthly checking, and 2024 yearly goal. I don't know what that was complicated to say. So my daily reset, you will see a little bit below here. I have the database showing just for this week, but basically what it is a tab there with my everyday journaling. And I created in a way that when I open, I have a template. So I'm just gonna open the template and it will automatically do this. So basically it's gonna automatically open everything for my journaling. So the morning, my daily gratitude, what would make today great, daily affirmation, you can change it, customize the way you want. The same, I don't always have time, so it's made to have a quick gratitude for the day, a quick journaling, like the 5 minutes journal type of journaling, basically. A brain dump, in if I have anything in my mind I just need to clear up, I just throw it there and then work on it later. And then my night journaling. And when you open it, automatically put the date of today, and that's my habit tracker, kind of. I'm tracking a couple of stuff for my health and as habits, so I track everything on top there. And next we have the weekly reset. So this one is going to be empty because I haven't done it yet. And here we can find my daily reset. So it's filtered for this week, as you can see. I'm a little bit late on this, but that's okay. I was not feeling too great at the beginning of the week, so I didn't just do it. In the bottom there, I have the calendar of my content calendar. So this is the due date for filming. So as you can see today, I have the Notion tour, the Go 360 unboxing, and for my other channel, what is my fly bag. I have two little airplanes. The blue one is for this channel, the red one is for the other one. I have my monthly checking. It's just a quick checking on this one, some highlight of last month, what I want to feel this month, and so on. Same, like I have my daily reset and they are filtered for this month, so I can track out a bit easier. And I have the 2024 goals, so quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And I haven't really worked on it yet. I started on my goals here, but the same, like it's been really busy for me. I will work on it a little bit later, and it's never a big deal if you're late. This is nothing that's life-threatening. So if you're late or you forget or you're not like on top of your game with like journaling and everything, just don't feel stressed because of that. I just don't have the time and I don't want to put pressure on myself to do it. Then the second section here, directory, sorry for my English. So I have a link to my Readwise, and if you don't know what that app is, it's basically everything that you highlight on your Kindle get your Readwise and has a connection with Notion, so all your highlights are saved into your Notion. So when you read a book and you just want to go back to something that you highlighted in that book, it's really easy. You just open your Notion and all your highlights are just showing there. Then we have my project. The way I organize this, I have them like all the projects. So what is in discovery or contract, everything that's not started basically will be there. Then I will have the thumbnail and descriptions, and I can just move them depending on where I am in that project. So that's the big board for all the projects. And you can see here I have some with the little airplane. So like I explained earlier, this one is for this channel, the other one is for the flying channel, and some don't have anything. And when I don't have anything, that means it's not in the calendar yet. Then I have them just for my pilot journey channel. I have just for this channel. I have the video that I can shoot home or at the hotel. As I mentioned, I'm an airline pilot and I'm in hotel half of the time, so there's videos I can actually shoot in the hotels. Then I have them selected by long form and short form, so some can be for both. And on the bottom here I have the calendar, so the deadline to filming the video and then the publish late. So that's how I organize all my projects. And we have some recipes. Same, I like to have them quite organized. So that's all the recipes I have. So sorry, they're mostly in French. You can filter the view, right? So sometimes I'm like, okay, I just want quick stuff to do in the air fryer. So I have the list there, or the oven, no heat, whatever is great to go. So I can basically pack it to go to work. My link, so there is where I save all my links, and I can have a tag, the actual link, the date created, if I have watched it or not. And in the bottom there, I have my beauty bars. So I used to do my own body butter, homemade beauty products basically. So I used to do that. So I have my recipes all saved up in there. Then the lounge, it's just a simply like a daily quote. In the bottom, everything that's related to the house, so utilities, so that we all what I need for the house, like the contract numbers for the gas, water, like everything related to the house. Then I have a link, external link to my house monthly budget that I keep on a spreadsheet, and then my monthly, so my own monthly budget that's also on Google Sheet. On the middle, I have my motivation board, a quick agenda that doesn't do anything specific except showing me the day, because I'm all over the place all the time. I struggling sometimes to know which day of the week we are. On the right is to do today, between like today and the end of the month, so there is not a specific date for that. Then this week, actually I was supposed to film this Notion tour on Monday. I would have put it there to not keep it this time, but I was not feeling the greatest. This has been done. That's my weekly to-do list. I like to have it there because it's just easier for me to see it. Bottom, then we have the daily reset. As I showed you earlier, it's just the database just for this week. I can just click create a new tab, and with the template I showed you earlier, and I have a quick access to my habit trackers. In the bottom, it's a little bit like my link page, except it's like as of right now, I'm like, oh, I need to check this video later, and it's a quick save, so it's not lost in all the links. It's something I really want to. This concludes my Notion tour. Let me know if you have any question. I will try to upload a tutorial how I created this page. Maybe you can follow and make your own Notion page as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.